Meaning of G&T.
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 G&T. G&T is an abbreviation for gin and tonic, which is a popular cocktail made with gin and tonic water. The drink has a distinctive bitter flavor due to the quinine in the tonic water. Gin and tonics have been a popular drink choice since British colonial times in India, where tonic water was used as a preventative measure against malaria due to its quinine content. Today, it is enjoyed by people all over the world as a refreshing and versatile cocktail that can be customized with various garnishes and mix-ins.